Time and again, especially when the left rules Kerala, there is always a talk on the excellent health system that the state has. But when it comes to taking treatment, their leaders make a beeline to the west. And Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan is all set to leave for the US for expert medical treatment on January 15. Vijayan is being accompanied by his wife and his personal assistant and will return on January 29. Vijayan's predecessors V.S. Achuthanandan and E.K. Nayanar also used to frequent to the western countries for medical care facilities whenever they needed medical attention. The state government, like in the past, is meeting the expenses as always. Prior to the COVID pandemic, Vijayan was in the US receiving medical attention. The Chief Minister will be leaving on January 15th from Kerala and will return on January 29th. Pinarayi Vijayan will fly to the United States on January 15 for his further medical checkup at Mayo Clinic in Rochester, Minnesota. According to the sources, his wife T. Kamala and his personal secretary V.M. Sunish will accompany him. Earlier in September 2018, the Chief Minister had undergone treatment at Mayo Clinic for 3 weeks. The details of his ailments are yet to disclose. The Chief Minister is currently going to the US for previously scheduled medical examination and treatment as per the instructions from the doctors. Chief Secretary V.P. Joy clarified in an order issued that the government would bear all the expenses. However, according to the reports, the charge of Chief Minister will not be handed over to anyone else for the time being, though there are several names coming up. Central Committee member M.V. Govindan is the party's senior in the cabinet, but there are indications that another Central Committee member K. Radhakrishnan will be given the charge of the Chief Minister. In view of all this, it is reported that Pinarayi has appointed the trusted A. Sampath as Radhakrishnan's private secretary. Last time as Chief Minister went to the United States, the Chief Minister himself verified everything, including the e-files. Earlier in the week, the CM was undergoing treatment at the Apollo Hospital in Chennai. For this reason, the Chief Minister couldn't mark the presence in some of the events when the President arrived in Kerala. The medical examination, which was scheduled for last year, was postponed because the trip was difficult due to the pandemic. The Chief Minister visits Chennai every year for regular checkups as part of his treatment. It was for such a checkup for which he visited Chennai last time. Founded in 1863 in Minnesota, USA, Mayo Clinic is a world-renowned cancer treatment hospital and research center. Former Speaker G. Karthikeyan and former Defence Minister and former Kerala Chief Minister A.K. Antony have all sought treatment at the Mayo Clinic.